Let's give you guys a look at a house I'm going to wash the windows on. Very nice house. I'm also doing some screens for them. My little couple whatever's left of the supplies. Little work table, and then here's all the screens I made for them. So if you guys don't have dirty windows but you have broken screens, we can make that happen, you know. Made a total of 14 screens. Just got to put some screen on them. We got the screen right here, but also going to wash all these windows. They got a beautiful backyard. Some more windows, more windows, more windows, windows. So if you guys are interested in having your house spruced up, or you got a couple screens with all torn like this one here, we can make it happen. So this is the last screen I'm going to make for him here. This little square one. And when I come back tomorrow, this one's actually good. But there's a few we're going to just rescreen, not make for him. But if you guys are interested in having windows cleaned or screens repaired or replaced, go ahead and feel free to give us a call.